Hello guys, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you all our subscribers and our new subscribers. Thank you all for watching our channel. Guys, it's been a while, I know, but guys, forgive me, time. And trying as much as we can to upgrade our place. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor and hit the subscription button, the notification button as well. Share so that somebody might be inspired by this. As you all know, we began to expand this, and material cost is insane. Feed cost is unbelievable. Guys, everything has been unbelievable. But what can we do? We can't give up. It's a project and we have to keep pushing. So at a point, we gave a break because it was too much. It was too much. So we have to do the right thing by concentrating on feeding the pigs. We sold some of our pigs, and we have to, because like I said, we needed a lot of space which we weren't able to provide at that time. So we have to let some of them go and maintain some. Now we've been able to buy cement, so we have to keep going. So it is what it is, guys. I always tell you, look, piggery is a very profitable, thing to do. But the money that you have to put in is very, very, very critical. It is. You cannot cut corners. You cannot skip that. Feeding is massive. And it is very important that you concentrate, make provision for money to buy those feed, to feed them. No two ways about it. You have to. And that is why we pause in the work done. And then we concentrated on the feeding. Thank God. As for the piglets, they are increasing daily or monthly. It is very productive. And that is one thing that we have to all know, that when you start, it's gonna increase. And the more it increases, the more your expenditure goes high, because you have to increase your feed as well. What can you do? That is what we want to do. Look, there's a story about a guy who is in Ghana who also started piggery 30 years ago. Listen very carefully. 30 years ago, he was in diaspora. And he started doing this. He said it wasn't productive, effective then, but this is what he wanted to do when he retired. So he kept on doing it on a smaller scale, but he was able to build the pens, and then he did it. Now he's back home for good. And because it's something that he wanted to do. He bought his own cargo truck, and then he did his own butchering at the farm. And what he does is that now he's doing it on bigger scale. So he's supplying to restaurants in his van. And the van is the refrigerator one. So it's a long-term business that you have to do. I said it over and over. in our previous videos that people are calling because they need pigs, and that is what propels us to sell, so that we can be able to, use the money back into the the expansion. So if this is something that you really want to do, you can start small. You can start small, and little by little you will get there. I promise I will give you guys updates every month as to where we are and how we are progressing in our expansion. Thank you guys so much for your contribution, your suggestions. And this is how it is, We don't post these things because we want to show off. We post because we need help, and also we believe that it will help and encourage somebody. So let us share our mind, our ideas together. Thank you all. God richly bless you, and watch out for our next video. Stay put and be blessed. Bye.